Yeah. So here you can see that in the ideas page, the article is written by Faizan Mustafa. Rajasthan High Court's interim order in Sachin Pilot's case raises serious questions, because we have seen that recently Rajasthan High Court had given an time for the Sachin Pilot to, what you can say, to prove his side. It also provides an opportunity for government to revisit an anti-defection law. So I have told you that in spite of having an anti-defection law in place in the Constitution of India, the cases of defection from one political party to another political party by the representatives, that is MLAs and MPs, have not, what you can say, stopped. So there is increasing amount of what you can say, the defections of the political leadership as well as the representatives in India. So what Faizan Mustafa says there, that the anti-defection law, which has been created or which has been included into the Supreme Court of India, sorry, in the Constitution of India, leads to, what you can say, the serious questions. So it also provides an opportunity for government to revisit the anti-defection law. So I'm expecting a question in this year's mains exam. Right, remember, when the mains exam will be conducted, I will discuss the question once again, and I will be very sure that there will be a one question on the failure of the anti-defection law in the country. So that is what is explained here. You have to cut this article, put it in paper 2, topic, what you can say, the Indian legislature. So let this case be used by the government to revisit the anti-defection law and legislatively remove its defects. Legislatively, that's by making law, by making changes. The Dinesh Goswami Committee in 1990 had proposed limiting disqualification to confidence or no confidence motion, money bill, and voluntarily giving up the member of a party. It had also recommended that the decision should be taken by the president or governor on the advice of the election commission. So right now, who decides about the defection and who disqualifies the member on the basis of defection? As per the current law,
Speaker.
it is speaker, right? But the Dinesh Goswami Committee has recommended that the decision should be taken by the president in case of MP and governor in case of MLS on the advice of the election commission. So in 1999, the law commission which was established at the time, it has also in its 170th report suggested that the whip should be confined to the matters when the government is in danger. So that is what is explained here. So there are various issues related to the anti-defection law in India, and that is what is explained here. Read this whole article, which will help you in understanding the issues related to the anti-defection law in India, right? So basic, what you need to read, that in basic you need to read that what is anti-defection law, which is included in which part of the Constitution of India, which schedule of the Indian Constitution of India, that you need to know, and what are the issues related to the anti-defection law, that we will read it here, and question can be asked in the mains exam related to the anti-defection law. Fine.
Yes.
So cut this article, put it in paper 2. Right hand side, there is one article related to the Reserve Bank of India. Short may not be sweet. RBI proposal on capping bank CEO tenure is not supported by any cogent evidence, empirical or otherwise. So Reserve Bank of India's proposal has proposed that the bank CEO tenure should be capped. It should be decided like whether it should be like 3 years or 5 years. So just read it out. What is the, it is capped at 10 years, right? So the paper proposes to cap the maximum tenure of the promoter or the major shareholder of the banks as a CEO or full-time director at 10 years. The rationale of offered is that 10 years is an adequate period for a promoter or a major shareholder of a bank CEO or WTD to stabilize its operation and to transition the managerial leadership to professional management. That is what is mentioned here. So just read it out. This is again one of the important proposal given by the Reserve Bank of India for fighting, or what you can say, to address the issues of the public sector banks in India, or the what you can say, the commercial banks in India. Going to the next article, Mary E. John has written an article on poverty, taking the easy way out. Poverty, not age of marriage, is responsible for women's poor health indications. That is what is explained here now, because we have seen that now age of marriage has increased now. So as per she is saying that as per the writer, the poverty is more responsible for women's health, what you can see the indicators. That is what is explained here. So just read this article, paper 1 topic, role and movements and women's organization and issues related to women is the topic in paper 1 in the society topics. So there you can have it, right? So please, someone has not muted himself. Can you please mute yourself? We're getting a background noise. Mahmood, आपने mute नहीं किया था. So please make sure that you mute yourself when you join the class. Okay, going to the next page. Today's explain page is about the reading new education policy. The new education policy has proposed a sweeping changes. A look at the proposal on curriculum, courses, and medium of learning, and the takeaways for students, schools, and universities. So that is explained here. So what is the what purpose does the NEP serve? That you can read it out here. What are the key takeaways? That is also explained here. What are the key takeaways? How will these reforms be implemented? Then what does the emphasis on mother tongue or regional language mean for the English medium schools? Then what about people in transferable jobs or children of multilingual parents? It may be quite possibility that children might be having what you can say the multi-language. The parents may be like one parent may be speaking in Kannada, the other parent may be speaking in Hindi. So what should be happen with them? How does the government plan to open up higher education to foreign players? Then right hand side, what impact, sorry, how will the 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor's program work? Then what impact will doing away with the MPhil program have? Then will the focus on multiple disciplines not dilute the character of single stream institutions such as IITs? So all these points have been given here. Read this out. I will also read it in detail, probably when I get a time today. Probably I will take one separate session on the new education policy by what is the provisions and what are the different articles issues related to the new education policy. So don't worry, there will be many articles like these 2 weeks will be flooded with the analysis on article on the new education policy. So you will come to know after reading that, but again we will read it one by one. Fine. Here there is one more article related to the moratorium. A moratorium benefit enters last month. Here is how to manage your home loan. So this one is the last what I can say the month for the moratorium. So now next month onwards we have to pay the home loan as well as the other loans. That is what is mentioned here. Okay, going to the next page, we will go for the economics directly. Okay, here there is one article, reaction to NEP vary, progressive ideas but finer details will matter. That is what is explained here. So read this article, that what are the reactions of the various people on the new education policy. Here there is one article related to the India's development cooperation does not come up with the political conditions, says PM. Mauritius to court building built with India aid inaugurated. So there is one court building built with the help of the India's aid in the Mauritius, that is explained here. Urge restraint along LAC, oppose unilateral bid to alter status quo Australia. So Australia has asked India to what you can say have restraint on the line of actual control, oppose unilateral bid to alter the status quo. That is what is mentioned by Australia. So just read it out. We are very clear as India is, that is this vaccine is for everybody. So is an interview with the Sir Philip Barton, UK's High Commissioner to India, because we have seen that there is one candidate in the Britain which is claiming to be a vaccine for the COVID-19. So it will be manufactured in India and it will be given to all. Anyways, the next page will directly go to the economics page. Pushback from states likely on AG view on market borrowing. So states say compensation fund likely to have enough funds to even meet revenue shortfall in near future. So we have seen that the revenue shortfall is going to be there for the government. So states say compensation fund is unlikely to have enough funds to even meet the revenue shortfall in the near future. Pushback from states likely on AG view on market borrowing. AG means annual. I need to check it out. What is AG here? Just check it out. This is again related to, I guess, the GST Council meeting, which like we have seen that after every 3 months, the GST Council meeting is there. So here the GST Council meeting was conducted yesterday. So what are the issues discussed? That might have been given here. So just read this article to understand the problems of the fiscal situation in India of both union as well as the state governments. Gold demand plunges 70%. The demand for the gold has been fall down by 70% high on prices and during the lockdown period. Okay. RBI cautions about corporate HNI dominance in debt funds. Then right hand side there is one article written, there is one news statement given by Parekh that rural economy bright spot to lead recovery. So how the rural economy can help in recovery of the economy, that is what is explained here. So just read it out. Check. What is production linked incentive scheme for electronic manufacturer? That also you read it out, why the government is giving a production linked incentive to the manufacturer of the electronic goods. So read this article. You may use this information while writing the answer of the mains exam. As per P. Chidambaram, there is deepening economic crisis in country. So why it's saying so? Why there is a deepening economic crisis in the country? That you will come to know by reading this article. Just read it out. Fine. So this is all about the today's newspaper. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No doubts? Sorry, my video was off. I didn't realize. Anyways, any doubts?
So I checked AG, it's probably Attorney General.
Okay.
I don't know.
Probably. It should be.
I'm not sure.
It should be AGI, but here their meaning should be something else. You read the whole article, you will come to know what is the meaning of that AG.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we stop?